Welcome to AB Judge.
AB Judge Styles.
This is AB Judge. Welcome to AB Judge. This is AB Judge. Welcome to AB Judge. 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 Black Wall Street.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on this. I'll be showing you how I did this wig from start to finish.
I do anything for you. I go anywhere for you.
So this is the hair we'll be using for this tutorial. It's a packet hair, very affordable, very soft. I use one pack of it. And then this is the cap we'll be using. It's a mesh dump cap. I like using this particular dump cap because it fits all type of hair. So in this tutorial I decided to do the closure first. This is the lace I'll be using for the closure. So to do this, you place down your lace on top of your mannequin head, then you secure it with a T-pin like so.
Yes, of course I do. This is time to be wife, no longer my boo. Anything where you want, then I go do. Yes, I love you, and I know you love me too. If you dance for me, I go dance for you. Call my fans for me, make them dance for you. All the angels around there, they clap for we. So glorious, finally we made it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. I got this strong feeling, I can't fight it. And when I lose my mind, now you they tight it. And when everything be dark, you they light it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. We are meant to be, I feel it. Girl, I love your smile and your fine tits. Soft lips and I feel like to bite it. Asa, mama follow pasa. Nebiko call everything balokasa.
To do this, get your waist, and then cut the tips of the waist like this. Remove the tiny hair from the tips of the hair. Fold it. Structure the hair so that you can pick 2 to 3 strands of hair. So to do this, pull your knit picker through your lace. Grab 2-3 strands of hair. Then you create a knot.
Be here for you, baby, that is the main thing. For better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in hell, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, find me there. For better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in hell, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, find me there. You know that I'm counting on you. Of course, I'm believing in you. Know that we are meant to be. This is more like a song of victory. Hey, baby, as I they put in the ringo, my heart they dance a lingo. See as our name the ringo. Yeah, popular. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely. Forever and ever. Now you be my queen, baby. No say you my one and only. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely. Forever and ever. Now you be my queen, baby. No say you my one and only. You know say now it's important on the coast, my guy. Hey, I've got the edge on the beat. Black Wall Street. From my heart, shit, I got the edge. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. I go anywhere for you. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. Hey, because not today, yeah, be the day, yeah.
So your closure should look like this after ventilating it. So the next thing you do is to place down your closure on top of your wig cap, then sew it down with your needle and thread. For detailed video of this, check my previous video on how to sew down your closure on top of your wig cap. So next is to start sewing down your weavon.
Yes, I love you, and I know you love me too. If you dance for me, I go dance for you. Call my fans for me, make them dance for you. All the angels around there, they clap for we. So glorious, finally we made it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. I got this strong feeling, I can't fight it. And when I lose my mind, now you they tight it. And when everything be dark, you they light it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. We are meant to be, I dey feel it. Girl, I love your smile and your fine tits. Soft lips and I feel like to bite it. Asa, mama follow pasa. Nebi koko, everything walo kasa. Mwachipu kelo welu beauty ya bossa. Kupo other girls swallow my bone dosa. Sefana wachipu delo one day your bulla mo melo. Your bulla kwa mo wabelo, no be ije mo jello. Hey, no be say me I do pass them. But it be like say I'm blessed past them. Chukwa loka. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, go say you my one and only. I want you to be by my side, girl. I'm loving you plenty. Without you around me, girl, you know that I'm empty. If you feel what I'm feeling, my girl, when we're feeling the same thing, always be here for you, baby, that is the main thing. For better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in hell, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, join me there. I say, for better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in hell, baby, I'll be there. Anywhere you go find me there. Anything you do, baby, join me there. You know that I'm counting on you. Of course, I'm believing in you. Know that we are meant to be. This is more like a song of victory. Hey, baby, aside they put in the ringo. My heart they dance a lingo. See as our name the ringo. Yeah, popular. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely forever and ever. Now you be my queen, baby, no say you my one and only. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely forever and ever. Now you be my queen, baby, no say you my one and only. You know, say now it's bad on the coast, my God. Hey, I'm at the edge on the beat. Black Wall Street from my heart. Shit, I got the edge. Yeah. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. I go anywhere for you. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. Hey, because not today, yeah, be the day, yeah. I go take you down after all this time. Not today, yeah, be the day, yeah. I go ask you to be mine. I can't wait to see you smile. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, no say you my one and only. Do you do? Yes, of course I do. This is time to be wife, no longer my boo. Anything where you want, again, I go do. Yes, I love you, and I know you love me too. If you dance for me, I go dance for you. Call my fans for me, make them dance for you. All the angels around there, they clap for we. So glorious, finally we made it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. I got this strong feeling, I can't fight it. And when I lose my mind, now you the tight it. And when everything be dark, you the light it. Say, yeah, my heartbeat. That's it. We are meant to be. I the feel it. Girl, I love your smile and your fine teeth. Soft lips and I feel like to bite it. Asa, mwamo follow pasa. Nebika call everything balo kasa. Mwachuku kelo welu beauty at bossa. Couple other girls swallow my bone dosa. Sifana wachuku jello one day your bulla mumelo, your bulla kwamo wabelo, no be ije mo jello. Hey, no be say me I do pass them, but it be like say I'm blessed past them. Chukwu aloka. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely.
Sorry guys, never knew the sun was really affecting this. But I'm done sewing down the weft of the hair. All I did was to sprinkle water on top of the closure to make it lay flat.
Without you around me, girl, you know that I'm empty. If you feel what I'm feeling, my girl, when we're feeling the same thing, I'll always be here for you, baby. That is the main thing. For better, for worse, baby, I'll be there. In sickness, in health, baby.
A clearer video of this is in my previous video. I'll be dropping the link of the video in my description box below. All I did was to cut out the recap in the particular place I sewed down the lace so that the lace will be visible. It should look like this after cutting it off. So this is the final look, guys. Thank you guys for staying with me till the end. I love you guys. Please like, share my video, comment, and I'll show a thing to it. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button to know when new videos are uploaded. See you guys in my next one. Bye.